This is Milo Kirby corn cannon. Aim it, curve. A little higher, higher, way higher. Higher, 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 higher. Higher.
Kirby, higher.
Kirby, higher. Now you're going down, dude. You want to go like this high right here, okay? Don't press the button yet. Blast off. Aim it higher. Now shoot it. Aim toward the thing. Wow. I know it's the first one. There we go. Wow, look at that. Awesome. You almost hit the horse. Not awesome, but that went pretty far, so that was cool. Just high like that, Kirby.
160 out of 200. Oh my god.
Oh, dude. All right, now it's Milo's turn. Milo, corn cannon. Blast off, Milo.
Blast off!
You gotta yell it. The louder you yell it, the faster it goes.
Blast off!
Oh, it didn't work on that second time. Hey, great job. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Kirby, was that fun?
Yeah.
Great job.